try to get off the bike real quick. Yeah. Oh, he's limping that bad? All right, so get that limp. Get that limp. Do it again. Walk again. Okay. So I want put a number on that right there.
He said it's a 10.
When you walk like that, and it's on which leg? Watch this, right? Be 100% honest, right? Let me know you feel anything. Let me know if you feel anything. You don't have to. Okay. I want you to try to walk again and be 100% honest. Look at that same thing. Walk on. Keep walking. Keep walking. Hey, walk. I mean, so he couldn't hear me talking. Now look, put a number on it.
Oh, he ain't limping, yo.
Hey, Trump, I felt that shit too, though. It's like, it was
I see you got a little limp, but hit a number on your pain.
But it's not.
When your pain is 5. You feel anything going on in your legs, like the sensation? I'm not gonna tell you what, so you don't think it's a mind thing. You feel anything? Like what? It's like vibrating or anything? Okay. Tell me when that stops. Alright, walk again. Anything left? Something left though. Like what? Put a number on that. One more time. Wait.
Still up in there.
See it's moving. Like it's not the same though.
It's definitely not a 10.
It's not a 5, so what is it now? Now you hit things more than once, so what is it now? Walk on it again. Keep walking. Brush on it, do what you got to do, stomp on it. I mean, certain things you couldn't do at first, so. How is it? It's like there but not there type of thing? Yeah.
No, he ain't limping.
Come here, Rick. Can I say it now, bro?
He said it feels numb. He said he feels numb.
So, what's going on, right? Listen, so all that's gonna go, and then you're gonna realize all that's gone. So what we believe in, well, before we even tell you what we believe in, can you recognize your body? You're going through what it's going through. Can you recognize any pain in your body right now? Back pain, headaches, migraine. You got migraine? Back pain.
You let Matt do that.
You trust your man's bike or whatever, right? Oh, okay.
Matt, you want to do this one?
All right, so while you wait, when that numbness go, just let me know and then just keep walking on it because you had a mean look. So put
Hey,
it up
ice.
your pain
I'm just let Matt do it.
All right, do your thing. I can tell him.
Go ahead.
So what we're doing is we're doing miracles.
Right now, it don't hurt. Like, if I'm playing basketball or something, like after I finish, that's when it starts.
What if you squat? What if you do a squat or something where you trigger the pain there?
No.
So there's nothing you can do right now?
So we just waiting for all of
Okay. All right, so. Okay, so there's. Okay.
back pain, knee pain, headaches. I literally just came from work. Shit out. No feet pain at all. from 8-hour shifts and nothing. Just let them know like what we're doing then. We pray in the name of Jesus. And we don't let people know in the name of Jesus immediately because they run. You know what I mean? So Jesus, this is just him saying like, look, y'all, I died for y'all. I love you guys, and I want a real relationship with you guys. Not going to church every Sunday, that can help. But not going to church every Sunday, not just giving your money to the pastor, but a real relationship where you can do the same exact thing. You know what I mean? And he just wants you guys to know, there's no pressure, he just wants you guys to know that he loves you, all right? You know what I mean? So, and you guys, you're interested in that, like interested in knowing him. At least you give him a try, and then you choose to do whatever you do with that decision. You want to? Well, no.